Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now I know I said in the last video that I probably wouldn't be doing any more filming until the autumn because of the heat and the weather, but this happened the other day, unexpectedly. Now I'm always up at 4 AM in the summer, or during the summer, to do their breakfast, and I'm usually finished by 5:30, so it means I can get out and have a walk while it's still cool. But when I got to the gate, Podge was there. Anyway, she came out with me. And as we were making our way up, Smudgy was coming down, and she joined us. But it was all totally unexpected, and all I had on me was my phone. But it turned into a great morning, a great walk, with some great video. Grey Cat was about, but he didn't fancy coming out. We weren't going all the way to the top. There's a path through the trees. It's beautiful up there first thing of the morning. We hadn't been out long, and Podge was getting itchy paws, which means she wants picking up.
Who's a lovely girl?
Smudgy, on the other hand, was doing a slow walk, because that's what Smudgy does. She actually lives on the mountain. She comes down to me for breakfast and dinner, and then she's off. She was attacked a few years ago by a person or persons unknown. There was a spate of animal attacks, and she lost an eye, and she's nervous now, especially around the other cats.
We're not doing carries yet. No, we're not doing carries yet. Is that what you want?
I carried Podge about 100 metres, and she's not heavy. When you're going uphill, that's hard work. Smudgy, on the other hand, was quite happy to amble along. When they're like this, I love having them out with me. Sometimes the others will argue or fight, but these two are quite happy. And when Podge's doing something new or she's in a new place, she cries a lot. But when I call her name, she relaxes and we move on. She's my little explorer. She loves coming out. And it's a lovely walk up there. It's not long, but it's enough.
Hello, you.
And it's some great views. Wasn't the best place to relax, but it did her. Now we're going to make our way down through the forest. It's lovely and cool in there.
Come on, Podge.
It's quite steep coming down, So okay for those guys because obviously they're low to the ground, but it's quite slippery underfoot. See what I mean about Smudgy being nervous? I mean, Podge can't see, but she still backs off.
Come on, Smudge.
Now Smudge will make her way down. There she is. As I said to you, she knows forest. She knows the mountain. She knows the shortcuts. Years ago I used to see some cats would go up there to have litters, but they obviously weren't used to people because these faces would suddenly appear, usually on higher ground. I assume they went up there to have litters, or they might well have been feral cats, not sure. Haven't seen them there for a long time. We were on our way back now, and Podge was still having a great time. I don't know where she gets the energy from. And the pace never changes with Smudge. It really was a lovely walk that morning. And Smudgy was relaxed, she enjoyed herself. A lot of the time she's on edge. And Podge, Podgy always enjoys herself. So I hope you've enjoyed this latest video from Blind Cat Life with Friends. And as usual, I hope to see you all again soon. Have a great day.